Hello besties, let's style and install this hair from this to this to this. So let's get started. So first I'm going to be mixing my water and Lota baby. So sometimes I use Hawaiian, sometimes I use Koilala, sometimes I use, so it just depends on. So basically, honestly, what I'm doing, I'm just testing out different products to see which works out best when it comes to coiling with heat, when it comes to heatless coils, and I'm going to make a separate video on that. So what I need is my holding spray, my heat protector, and my coil activator. So let's get started. So first I'm going to apply my heat protector and spray sparingly on the hair, and I'm just going to gently massage into the hair. So after doing that, I'm going to section my hair and I'm going to begin coiling. So what you do is you're going to clamp with a barrel coiler, and then you're going to hold for some seconds and then you release. So that's what I'm going to be doing. So I'm just testing to see if it's hot enough. So guys, about this my tweed barrel, I won't recommend. I don't think it's getting the job done. Excuse me, 1 second. So I wanted it, so no, I do not recommend. I'm actually investing on getting another which will serve the purpose I want. So yeah, but this really turned out good. Actually, just that my previous tweed barrel was really the best. So I'm hoping to get the same brand. So yeah, so when I hold for some minutes or seconds depending on the heat temperature setting of your coiling iron, then I release and I move downwards. So that's basically what I'm doing. And we're done. Then you move to the front. So basically you put in the same process. You clamp and you hold for some seconds, then you release. And release. Then for the front, I'm going to be holding it with this hairpin so the coils stay in place, since I just want the front looking more glamorous. So yeah, so that is how I do my waves, mermaid waves or beachy waves or whatever you would like to call them. So here's what our hair is looking like after coiling and styling and everything. So now let's get to installing. So I'm going to cut out my lace. Since it's a closure, I'm just going to use my zigzag scissors to just chop that thing out. Then I'm going to slick back my hair. Since I'll be doing a glueless install, I'm not going to be using any glue. I'll just use my hairspray, my got-to-be spray, and I'm going to apply my hair, and then I'm going to hold it down. So I'm going to adjust my hair and make sure everything is lapping correctly. Then I'll go in with my hairband, hold it in for some minutes to melt that shit. Yeah. After some minutes, I'm going to take that band out, and ta-da! We're done. Our glueless install is ready to be slayed. So I'm just going to adjust the front part of my hair. And here's what our hair is looking like. Lace wear, literally. And I'm going to take out my pins, and I was actually so pissed that I kind of messed my hair in the process of glueless install. But then again, it is what it is. It's all good though. So pins down, hair laid, ready to slay, and voila, here's what we're looking like. With some minor adjustments, and we're done. Thanks very much for watching. Please like and subscribe. I post amazing tutorials, and it will really mean a lot to me if you really do like and subscribe. Bye bye.